Hey champs! Welcome back to the Riddlo verse. Stop scrolling. This is not a normal video. You have only 5 seconds to decide. No skipping, no cheating, no going back. Every choice you make reveals something about you. Ready? Choose yes or no. Would you live your whole life with these long fingers? Comment your choice, yes or no. Burp confetti anytime or anywhere. Comment your answer. Would you live with these type of long toes lifetime? Comment your choice, yes or no. Live with short legs. What you choose. Clean public toilet. Comment your choice, yes or no. Live alone in Golden Island like a royal king. Yes or no. Having marshmallow teeth. Comment your answer. Own this magical flying broom for 24 hours. Comment your choice, yes or no. Use this bike to go to school daily. Habit to whisper others' talk. Comment your choice fast. Would you rather live with short legs or like the video and comment your height? Comment your choice. Choose career as a YouTuber. Comment your choice, yes or no. Meet Cristiano Ronaldo with Champions Cup. Adventure in a dark forest with a compass box only. Yes or no? Win Xbox by hitting subscribe and tapping like button. Comment your choice, yes or no. Become tiny for 12 hours. Comment your choice, yes or no. Would you like to help poor people? Yes or no? Who wants to live in Mickey Mouse Castle? Comment your opinion and your name. Always speak loudly. Comment your choice, yes or no. Would you like to become rich YouTuber like Mr. Beast? Comment your choice, yes or no. Have a cactus tongue. Would you rather tap like button and comment help to help him, or share this video to everyone to help more people like him? Comment your choice. Would you like to having long fingers in both hands? Comment your choice, yes or no. Bad smell from mouth every time? Yes or no? Would you like to live with lava teeth? Comment your choice, yes or no. Pee inside your pants in classroom. What is your opinion? Want a brand new PS5 after a good score in exams? Comment your choice, yes or no. Want to drink yellow part of an egg every morning? Yes or no? Would you like to having teeth braces for lifetime? Comment your choice, yes or no. Get power of time travel? Drop your opinion and name in comment section. Live with a long tongue? Would you accept my Xbox gift for you? If yes, then comment Xbox in comments section. Would you rather poop inside your pant in your classroom or subscribe the channel to motivate us? What you choosing? That was intense. Did you choose correct? Comment your choices below. Share this with a friend and see if they get the same results. And remember, sometimes the simplest choices reveal the deepest truths. Tap like and smash subscribe for more mind games.